What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out one of my newest listings that hit the market. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Chris. I do automotive and real estate content here on YouTube. Today's no exception. We have a little bit of car content as we're pulling up to my listing in my Lexus IS 500. But the nitty-gritty of the video is going to be covering my latest listing in Hudson, Florida. Now, if you're new to the channel, I hope you guys would consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel. It really goes a long way to help my reach here on YouTube and beyond. But a little bit about the listing. Let's talk about what's going on here. It's offered at $480,000. Hudson, Florida is just due north of the Tampa Area. And as we fly in through the house with my buddy's drone, shout out to my drone pilot, Devin. He did a phenomenal job filming the house as he followed me around. But also shout out to the sellers who did a phenomenal job staging the place, getting it ready for the market. Definitely love all the minimalistic design features and staging in the house currently. And now flying in through the master bedroom, you see a lot of natural light coming in through pretty much all corners of the house through the primary bathroom. Now we're going into bedroom number 2, followed by bedroom number 3. And then we're gonna have a little peek of the second full bathroom and the money shot, which is one of the main selling points of this house through that 3-panel sliding back door, is the covered saltwater pool. We have a panoramic pool cage and a heated saltwater pool, and I had to test the water temperature. It was quite a warm day today in Florida, as it usually is, and the water felt perfect. Now, beyond the backyard is a conservation area, and you can pretty much use your imagination on how you want to, do your recreational activities back there. It doubles as a retention pond, but on most days it's pretty clear. You can see there's a lot of green out there for lots of activities with the family. Now, flying back through the pool area, we're going to check out the side yard here, featuring artificial turf. Makes for very convenient cleanup if you have pets, and also this area is completely fenced in, so the little ones, furry and also non-furry, have a safe place to hang out and have fun. Now we're making our way back through the house, through the front, and that pretty much sums it up. All the information pertaining to this listing is in the description of this video. All my links are in the description as well. If you have any interest in this property, feel free to reach out to me directly. And this is Chris. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.